Hi guys, happy Saturday. I'm just sitting editing at my laptop obviously, and I'm just home from John's. We went out last night for dinner and he's gone down to Connemara this weekend. I didn't want to go because I just have a lot on with work and stuff, so I just said I'd stay home for this weekend and he'll be home like early Monday. I just prefer to kind of get stuck into work. That, and I think I might be going out tomorrow night. I haven't like fully made up my mind. Last night we went for dinner and we met John's friend, one of his best friends. Like, he's been groomsman for him in November, and his girlfriend Ali, and it was just so nice to meet Dave and Ali last night for dinner, and I just had the best night ever. We actually ended up staying for like 3 hours at dinner just talking, so I just had a really nice night. Then we went home and we were talking about like Game of Thrones and stuff over dinner, and John's obviously never seen it, so we started watching it again. Like, it's like the fourth time I've watched it's like the fourth time I've watched season 1. Or like the beginning. I think I've watched like the first 3 seasons I think like 4 times or something, so I was just so excited to watch it again with someone who's never really seen it and like get stuck into it with John. And like, he's asked me about like different characters now, so we watched a bit of that last night. I know like when the apartment and stuff is done, like at least we have something to watch, and like for the winter time and stuff, so I'm very excited because I know I just love like Game of Thrones, and it's nice to watch a series with someone as well, and it is one of the most epic series that ever existed. So that is what's going on with us. Today I'm going to look for carpets. John was like, don't be looking for carpets, don't have a weekend off or whatever, and I was like, no, I'd rather like have a look and see what I can do. So my daddy's coming with me today to help. That's basically everything. Just gonna edit some of my vlogs and edit some beauty videos. I'm going to stick up a beauty video today because I'm one short for the week. I don't know what happened. I forgot to upload on Wednesday, and I don't know how that happened. The week just got away from me, and then I was like, I only uploaded twice this week, so I'm going to have a bonus, well, not a bonus video, but a video up today because I missed Wednesday, so sorry about that, guys. Hey guys, so I'm in carpet land, carpet right, whatever it's called, looking at carpets and get whatever carpets I think are the right ones. Look, geez Louise, guys, carpets are expensive. I did not realize that like they were so expensive. Even the cheap ones are really expensive, and floors and underlay, and it's just an awful lot of stuff. I just don't get it at all. And then I was like, maybe I'll just get ends carpets, but they don't really have any that fit the dimensions of our rooms, and they're kind of ugly. Not that I want something like amazing, but something like slightly aesthetically pleasing. So I'm just kind of like looking around here and sending them pictures of stuff that I think might be reasonable. Good morning everybody. It is Sunday and I didn't finish filming yesterday because I lost my camera at some stage of the day. I actually put it into my handbag and then I went out to Amy's. I'm out of breath, sorry, I'm running up and down the stairs. I'm just going to film right now, and I'm looking for a pair of glasses that I need for a video. I've been wearing them for the last 2 weeks, and then when I need to film the video I can't find them. Last I was talking to you I was in Carpet Land, Carpet Right, I can't think of the name, but I think it's Carpet Land in the UK and Carpet Right here in Ireland, looking for carpet samples. I think I may have found the carpet samples that are needed, and that's basically everything from the last time I was speaking to you. I just did a little poll this morning, not a poll, like I did a little Instagram story. Look at these little wispy bits of hair. Oh, my new baby hair is growing. I just did like a little Instagram story of like videos that you guys want to see, so I got so many recommendations from you guys. Totally inspired me and I was like, I need to start filming. I've loads of video ideas that you guys sent me, and like I said, I just wanted to kind of film, but I have to do a sponsored post for Glasses USA. They're the glasses that I wear all the time, so that video has to be filmed today and put up. Well, I think tomorrow it has to be put up, or the next day, depending on when they approve it. So I'm filming it today, but now I can't find the pair of glasses I'm looking for, and this is just not cool. Cool? That's not cool. So I don't know what I'm going to do. I can't find them. I've checked my whole room, and Mum was like, it's because your room's a mess, and that's why you can't find anything. I was like, Mom, my room's not a mess. It's an organized mess, perhaps. But it's definitely not like a bomb went off mess. The last day I was talking to you, I filmed 4 videos, so if I can get 4 videos done today I'll be feeling very productive, because I just feel like I really want to film. I'm just in really good form today. I'm really happy. John's coming home from Connemara as well, so I'm so excited. And he was ringing me last night and he got tiles for the bathroom, and I'm just very excited about the whole thing. I ordered a shower curtain, and it's just, everything's just really good at the moment. Snapchat as well yesterday. I haven't done that in forever, and that was really, really fun too. The other thing is, actually, I went out for dinner on Friday and I used this product. Now, I'm not sponsored by Bondi Sands. I've worked with Bondi Sands, but this product, guys, is life. It's like a tanning glossy finish glow. So I thought, okay, it's gonna be like a self tanner. I already have tan on, so I'll just see will it even show up my skin. But it's not like that at all, guys. It's not a tan. It's like one of those glowy body products that you put on, and I'm shook at how amazing this product is. I just saw that over there, so I thought I would talk about it. But it is amazing if you can pick it up. I edited all day yesterday, all day Saturday evening, so I got like three and a half videos done because the other half has to be edited. My July hits and misses are going up today, so you will probably see them, like when this vlog goes live, they would be already live. And then an awful lot of you guys wanted to see outfits of the week. I don't know, guys, I don't really have that great a style. I'm very like alternative. I just have kind of, no, I'm not alternative, that's the word. It's not that I don't have a style, I just don't fit into any style category. I just buy a piece of clothing that I like. I don't know how you guys would feel about that. You know the way like you'd see some girls and they're really into like preppy clothes, or some girls are into real glamorous clothes, some girls are into like high-end clothes or designer clothes, some girls are into like more funky clothes. I don't know what I'm into because I take a bit of everything. So I don't know how you guys would feel about like a week in my outfits or style videos, but I can do them if you'd like. And an awful lot of requests as well for mukbangs. I love mukbangs, I love watching them, but my McDonald's mukbangs are literally always the same. Double cheeseburger meal with chicken nuggets. That's all I ever get from McDonald's. So maybe I might do like a drive-through mukbang, maybe with John or something, because then at least whatever I don't eat, he can eat, and I don't feel like I'm wasting food, but at least I can try it out and try and eat as much as I can without spewing. Yeah, I know you guys want to see them mukbangs, and I do agree. They're amazing. So maybe we'll go to the drive-through maybe next weekend or something and get a McDonald's. The other thing is I have to go up to my storage unit at some stage today. My storage unit has all of my makeup in it. You guys can see my makeup drawers that I have here. Sorry, there's like hair over there. That just drew my extensions when I took them off the other night. So they're my Alex drawers, but that is only the makeup that I have in my home house. I have two big massive Alex drawers full of makeup in my storage unit. I have to call to my storage unit today because I know I have lots of Wet n Wild makeup over there, and I want to kind of bring it over here to do a full face of Wet n Wild as well. So I know it's not convenient, but it's just, I'm at home. Obviously I'm living at home, and I moved out of the house that I was living in with my ex, and I had to kind of leave all my makeup in my other Alex drawers and just leave them in storage. So that's all I could do, and I could only have what I can have here. So that's my dilemma with makeup. So I need to go over and pick up some makeup in my storage unit at some stage today. Also, John I think wants to use it as well because he has a desk in his apartment and he wants to move it into my storage unit because it's massive, like, so it can take loads of stuff in it. So, you know, anyway, boring. Yeah, so I think that's basically everything I need to catch us up on. It's been an eventful weekend. Lots have been going on, working, and then didn't even get a bank holiday weekend, guys, because I just worked all weekend, all weekend. I mean, I was writing down like videos that I needed to film, getting requests off you guys, Snapchatting, Instagramming, editing. It was just a full-on weekend of work. Now I'm going into another week of work next week because the apartment has been done, and yeah, it's just, it's all go. I just feel like I need a holiday. I can't wait for Portugal. I really can't wait. We're going in 3 weeks, I think, something like that, and I just can't wait. I'm living for it. I just need a break. I honestly truly need a holiday. I could actually punch myself in the face right now. A little bit over dramatic, I know, but I am after turning on my camera obviously to start filming, and then realize that the battery to my microphone is gone, and I'm gonna have to get a new battery or pair of batteries. So irritating. And do you know what, I wouldn't mind, but it's not like I have the whole day to just saunter around filming, because usually that's what I do. I usually spend the whole day filming. No, I have a lot of stuff on today, so this is just inconvenient and not in my plans for the day. But look, we'll get the battery, we'll sit down, we'll film, and we'll get going with the videos. I'm just so irritated. I don't know why I didn't check to make sure that the battery was, you know, that they were working maybe on like Saturday or something, or the day before. I just never think to do that. And I usually have backup batteries in my house. Like I'd have like at least 5 packets of batteries, because it's the big square ones that go into like your smoke alarms and stuff like that. So I'd usually have a few of them on backup, but I used my last one up 2 weeks ago, not 2 weeks ago, 2 months ago or a month ago, and never replaced it. And now I'm just, this is just not cool. Such is life, I guess, as John says. Such is life. Okay, so I just got my batteries. They're in my pocket, and I had to get a drink when I was in there. I felt like I was going to fall on my head, like my blood sugars are gone really low. Oh wow, there's a lot of sugar in that. Ooh, but I don't know why my blood sugars are so low when I ate 2 hours ago. Very odd indeed. Pet peeve of mine, right? When you're pulling out of a parking space and there's someone who wants your parking space behind you, but they don't give you enough room to pull in. Instead they drive up your ass. That woman behind me is just after, like, just driving up on top of me. I was like, I know you want my space, but like, you need to give me some first in order for me to pull out. Get me home now. Also, I have some good news, guys. Well, a little bit. Essence are bringing out new products. Add a little goo at their Instagram, which you can check out. Sorry, I was just moved the camera. Which you can check out yourselves, and you can see all the new products that they're coming out with. So they're discontinuing the camouflage concealer, but they brought out this new tattoo concealer, which looks sick. Like, it looks really full coverage, kind of like Tarte Shape Tape full coverage, and I'm very excited about that. So if they're bringing out new concealers, replacing their old ones, and new foundations replacing old foundations, that means that they might have something better coming out for the mascara lines. Or maybe they'll just repackage the Lash Princess, I don't know, or the liquid ink or something like that, or the banana powder. They're also bringing out loads of highlight powders. I saw one called the Glazed Donut, which is supposed to give you like a glazed kind of wet look on the cheeks, which looks amazing as well. So they're coming out with new products as well, so hopefully something new will come out that will excite us as much as the products we're very sad to see go. I'm hoping, fingers crossed. I know I'm like ranting on about Essence like the last week now, but it's just very devastating indeed. So I'm done filming, guys, ages. And I was just eating and my lipstick's come off. I'm gonna go have a shower because John just texted me and he's nearly home, so I'm gonna call out to him. We're gonna have dinner. By the time he's home I'll be hungry again. Alright, so I'm gonna go have a shower, take this off, take off my eye makeup, and wash my hair. I can't wait to wash my hair. It's been 3 days since I washed my hair last. Gross. That's so gross. So I'm out of the shower. I look crazy and I'm done with work for the day, so I'm gonna get ready to call out to John. He's just home now. We're going to watch Game of Thrones. We just started kind of getting into, well, I've been watching it for years. I think I talked about that already, but John's never really watched it, so we're watching that tonight. Oh, and I got these new runners as well, actually, guys. They arrived during the week. Look how freaking cute they are. They are so cute. I'm not sure of the model of them. I'm sure it's on the box somewhere. Hang on. Let me see. That's them there. They are called the Nike Run Swift, and they're in coral red and grey, and they're just so cute. So I got them in a size 4. I'm obsessed with them. I love them so much. I also bought some gym gear from this company. I don't know what their name is. My sister got them as well, and they just look really nice. What is the... Oh yeah, Sport FX. So I got the leggings in a size 6 and they fit perfect. I just tried them on the other day and they fit lovely, and that's what the pattern on them is. They're so nice. I actually am obsessed with them. They're just the nicest pattern ever. It's like feathers and stuff on them. And then I got the matching top, but it's too small, so I have to send it back. That's what it looks like there. So it's just a little bit too tight. Like, it's very small. Like, there's my hand. It's like the size of my hand. My boobs have grown a little bit, so it's not going to fit me, or it doesn't fit me. So I'm sending it back to Sports Direct. But I'm so happy with these runners and those leggings. They're just bomb. Okay guys, I'm done and dusted filming for the day, done and dusted with work for the day. I'm calling out to John now and I'm going to love yous and leave yous. My battery is dying in this camera, so I'm going to leave it to charge here overnight and then get it in the morning. I think we're going back into the apartment tomorrow to do a little bit more work and stuff. And yeah, I think that's pretty much it. So I'll catch up with yous all tomorrow in tomorrow's vlog. I love you guys so much and I'll talk to you then. Mwah. Bye!